Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Danny for Cupcakes Gourmet, and today we're gonna make the number unicorn candle. But before we start the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell button so you get all the notifications on new videos. All my social media is up there, and you can click on my video list and you can find a bunch of videos, new and old, and Portuguese and English for you. So we're gonna start making the number candle. To start, we're gonna need white. So we're gonna start basically with the white. So we're gonna start working with the clay, and then we're gonna open long enough. I'm gonna open like this first, and long enough for us to cut our number. I'm gonna cut the number 1. Just like that, and I'm using our cutter, the metal cutter, and I'm just gonna cut just like so and get all the excess of the clay off, and we're gonna gentle get this out of here so we have a base of our little candle. Be sure that it's straight, then it doesn't have any marks, and we're gonna start working on this right now. So for that, we're gonna need 4 colors. I'm gonna use pink, blue, yellow, and purple. And I'm gonna cut it. I don't need that big, so I'm gonna cut it like this. And another little piece, and a longer one for detail. So you're gonna need 2 sizes for the hair and 1 long size for the tail. Okay, so we're gonna start with the tail. So I'm gonna get purple, and I'm gonna get the yellow and the blue. Try to keep them, long the same, and the pink. And now I'm gonna pinch them together and make an S, like so. Just like that, and you want to try to make all the colors be visible. And we're going to make a little hole right here on the side, and we're gonna place this just like that. Doesn't need to go in, you just want to give the impression that it's right there. And now we're gonna do the same thing for the hair. So we got purple and the yellow, and then blue, and then what I'm missing, pink. Pinch them together, and we're gonna make the little part of the face. So we're gonna place right here, and we're going to do the same thing the other side, just like that. Try to keep them all the same size. So we're gonna do like this, little yellow and blue. So we're gonna pinch them together. I'm gonna place to the other side of the face, just like that. Look how cute it looks. So now we need a little bit of gray. I got my gray like very, very light, because I don't want it to have like really dark colors. We're gonna make a roll and push down. You want like an oval shape. for his face. And we're gonna place right there on the number 1. Remember that when you're making numbers, candle with numbers, you don't want to hide the number, because then you don't know what number you want. So try to keep the shape of the number very visible, so you don't have the problem, you know, to be in a cake and the person doesn't really know what the number it is. You want the candle to be pretty, but the most important thing is to know the number you're using. So now we're gonna make 2 balls with the same size, teardrop shape, and flat a little bit. I'm gonna do the same thing the other side, teardrop shape. And I want a little pink to put in the center, just because it looks cuter. So we're gonna make 2 tinier balls, teardrop shape, flat, put in the center. The same thing the other side, flat, center. And then I'm gonna cut straight on the base, because it's easier to place. And we're gonna place right behind the hair, just like here, and just like here. See? Just like that. Just like that. I'm sorry, I know you probably can hear my kids crying. It's like almost time for them to go to bed, and I wanted to put the video up for you guys, so I didn't want to have another day without a video. So I want to show you that. So 2 things we need to do that is missing here. First, before it dries completely, let's make a little indentation. I'm gonna get a tool, any tool you have, and we're gonna just make the little nose, just like that. You can even let it dry and put a glitter and make it gold, like I did in another video, because I think the unicorn needs some gold. So we're gonna mix it, let the brown be very small, make a ball, teardrop shape, long, just like that. We're gonna, what I like to do, so I have long enough the way I want it, so I'm gonna measure, and I'm gonna cut the size I want, and then with the scissor I will cut on diagonal just the end, so it's easier for me to put it in place. And then before I do that, I will hold in my hand, and we're gonna mark all the way around, just some lines and a diagonal too, just to mark the little, you know, unicorn mark. And we're gonna place right that in the middle, and then it's almost done. The only thing we need to do is wait to dry and draw the little eyes on our unicorn. I don't know if I can do right now, or it's gonna be like super wet. Let me see. 2 things that happens when you do that, when the your thing is wet. First, you kill your pen, because if your clay is wet and you use any pen, they will not work again. And second, you're gonna mess it up at work. So I'm gonna show you guys how you're gonna do the only thing you need to do, and then you can see in the beginning of the video as well what you need to do. So it's dry. Well, the only thing you're gonna do here is our number, right? And here's the hair and everything. You just need to do a little close cute eye, and that's what we need to do right over there. But wait to dry. I don't want to wait to dry to show you guys, because I want to put this video up for you, since I haven't had the video for like 2-3 days. So, but that's exactly what you need to do. Just use the paint. You can use acrylic paint, you can use a Sharpie. If you're using anything edible, probably a candle, nobody's gonna eat it, you know. You can use Americana colors for anything like that. And it's done is a very cute like candle, super easy to make and to sell, and I hope that this video really helps you guys and you can make a lot to sell or for your kids. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up before you leave, because that's very important to me and to you. All the informations, materials, everything that I want to say is under this show more. And please leave me a comment, because I will go back and dedicate a video for you. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I talk to you guys soon. Bye!